sharp by stopping mid-morning hunger with Kellogg's Frosted Mini Wheat.
Does that hand taste good?
Source of fiber that helps you stay full and focused.
He's a little focused right now. Can I take a message?
He's awfully loud about it. I'm staring at the camera. Sounds like it's a pretty juicy hand. Is it juicy? Don't choke on it. Yum, yum, yum. You're so silly. Okay, say goodbye. Oh, almost time to say good night. I love you. Oh, bless you. Was that funny? That was funny, huh? Yeah. Goodbye.